Ants outside can be annoying, especially when they take over your yard or show up in cracks in your driveway. If you don't deal with them, they can spread and become a bigger problem. The good news is that there are easy ways to get rid of them and keep them from coming back. Liquid soap is one of the easiest and safest ways to handle outdoor ant infestations. It works by breaking down the ants' protective coating and disrupting the scent trails they follow. To kill ants outdoors, fill a spray bottle or gallon sprayer with warm water and add a few drops of liquid soap. Mix it well, then spray the solution on driveways or any areas where ants are most active. Aim the spray with a bit more pressure so the mixture reaches cracks and gaps where ants may be hiding. This soapy water helps break down the ants' protective coating and can get rid of many of them quickly. Repeat as needed and rinse the area afterward if desired. Using insecticides is a common way to deal with outdoor ant infestations, especially when colonies spread across the yard or into driveway cracks. To treat outdoor ant infestations, fill a spray gallon with water and add the recommended amount of a liquid outdoor insecticide according to the product label. Mix the solution well, then spray it directly on ant trails, mounds, and driveway cracks where ants are most active. Make sure to apply the spray evenly, giving extra attention to areas where ants hide or enter your yard. This helps the insecticide reach the colony and reduces the ant population over time. Dawn dish soap is a simple and effective way to control ant infestations in your yard and driveway. Mix Dawn dish soap in a large bucket of water to create a soapy solution, then pour it over areas of your yard where ants are most active. For a faster effect, you can also pour a small amount of Dawn dish soap directly onto the ants. The soap breaks down their protective coating, kills them on contact, and helps disrupt their trails, reducing the infestation effectively. Ant killer baits are an effective way to get rid of ants both indoors and outdoors. This ant bait is designed to attract and kill common household ants. It not only kills the ants you see but also the ones hiding in the colony, as worker ants share the bait with the rest of their nest. It works quickly, with fewer ants visiting the bait stations within just a few days. The bait is ready to use, simply insert the stakes, break the tab, and let it do its work. Ant killer broadcast granules help prevent new fire ant mounds by targeting and killing flying queens, providing up to 6 months of protection for your lawn. It works fast, killing existing fire ant mounds in as little as 15 minutes so you can enjoy your yard again quickly. To protect your entire lawn, simply treat the area with a drop or broadcast spreader. Regular monitoring and early treatment are key to keeping your outdoor spaces ant-free, so you can enjoy a clean, comfortable, and pest-free lawn all year round.